Today, we're talking about roof replacement. Specifically, how often do you need to replace your roof? After watching this video, you're gonna know what kind of damages warrant a roof replacement, as well as the age in which you're gonna need to replace your roof. I'm Brandon with Bill Reagan Roofing Company, and let's get into it. What kind of damages need a roof replacement? Of course, if you have damage on your roof that looks something like this, you're gonna need your whole roof replaced. So I'm gonna be focusing on a lot of the more unseemly damages that you may not think warrant a roof replacement, like hail damage. If you have hail damage on your roof, either by missing granules on your asphalt shingles in these little pelt-like areas, or even hail damage on the rest of your property, like dented gutters or dented cars, then that's heavy evidence for hail damage. So you're gonna need a roof replacement for that. And you're also gonna be able to use your insurance to cover that hail damage. Now, not all improper installations need a replacement, but some major ones like large areas of shingles being improperly nailed and then sliding down your roof, that's gonna warrant a roof replacement because chances are your entire roof is gonna have that same quality about it, and you don't want that. Lastly, if you've had strong straight line winds blow through your area, either from a tornado, hurricane, or just a severe storm, you may need your roof replaced if you've had a lot of shingles blow off. You can find that out by either obviously seeing large sections of your roof just missing, or you can even find shingles blown into your yard. And lastly, to give you the number one reason that your roof's lifespan will end early is because of improper attic ventilation. If you don't have your attic properly ventilated, then in those hot summer days, if the cool air is not being drawn in or the hot air isn't being sucked out, your attic is gonna get so hot that it's gonna burn up your shingles, and that's gonna end your roof prematurely. How old does a roof get before being replaced? The general rule of thumb, if you've had no events happen that shorten your roof's lifespan, is that you're gonna wanna replace your roof 80 to 85% of the way through the manufacturer's stated lifespan for the materials. To give you an example for this, the two most popular types of roof materials, 3-tab and dimensional shingles, have stated lifespans of 25 and 30 years individually. For 3-tabs and their 25-year lifespan, you're probably going to want to replace those around the 20 to 22 year mark, and for dimensional shingles, you're probably going to want to replace them around the 25 to 28, 27-ish year mark. If you want more information on how long your roof will last, then you can click on the link below. It'll take you to our video where we discuss just that. I'm Brandon Hafer with Bill Reagan Roofing Company. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you next time.